to Headway 101. In this part 2 of the How to Build a Small Business Website with Headway course, we are going to add some content to our homepage and some other pages and neaten up the design a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll see here we have this welcome for our content block. If I click Edit Page, or if I went to All Pages in the WordPress dashboard and found the welcome page, I could add content. So in this case, this could be something about your business. So my themes users learn more about the theme. I'm just going to repeat this sentence a couple, I'm just going to repeat this sentence a couple times to fill it in. If we scroll down, you can see over here under title control, and I can click and drag to move that right below my page editor. I could choose to hide the title if I wanted to, or I could choose to type in an alternative title, so I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll click Update. Now if I view the page, you'll see here where it says my alternative title, so my headline, Welcome to Headway 101, and the text I wrote in. I'll also show you how to add an image. That's a question that comes up. So if you edit the page and go to Add Media, you could upload an image from your computer or choose one that you've already uploaded. I'll pick this bicycle, I suppose, and I'll make sure it's shrunk down and not linking. All right. To make the text wrap around it, I could go a line right or a line left or a line center if I wanted it to drop below. So I'll click Update. And if we view the page, you can see what that looks like. So that's how you would add some content. We'll go back into the dashboard and go to Appearance, Menus. Here I have a main menu, or I can create a new menu. In this case, I'll do Website Menu. So I'll add my welcome and a blog, about us, and contact pages that were already made. And I'll apply these to the navigation and save menu. I could also rename this from welcome to home if I wanted to. I could change blog to something like articles and hit save. So that's how we work with the navigation and with the content block. Now I'm going to jump into design mode and clean up the design a little bit. Every one of these wrappers has this box shadow, and I'm going to get rid of it. So I'll right click on a wrapper, edit regular element. Where it says box shadow, I'll just set these values to 0. Though I could also click this X to delete this customization. I'll also get rid of these top and bottom margins. And for the body, which I can choose over here from the structure or using the inspector, I'll change the color to white, just to give me a clean starting place. Now I'll click and edit this instance for my header wrapper. So I can make the background a different color. Just for contrast, I'll make it black. I can do the same thing for the wrapper right below it, holding my navigation. In this case, I'll make it like a bright blue. For the navigation wrapper, I'll also get rid of padding. Since I want my navigation to fit right in the wrapper, I'm going to right click and edit regular element for navigation. And where it says margin, I'll click to customize so it goes to 0. While I'm here, I'll also change the border to hidden. And I'll delete the customization to make sure that it fits snugly. I'll right click and edit this instance one more time for my footer wrapper. I'll make it some sort of gray color. Maybe even black to go with the rest of it. So this is what we have so far. If I click on articles, you'll note that it has the full width content block, but I want to add a sidebar. So I'll go into the Headway, Visual Editor, and Grid. Here you can see I can clone an existing layout. I'm going to do that and clone from the front page. I'll click and drag this content block to the right so that I make room for a widget area. And I'll resize them as necessary. And click Save. Now when I view my site, I'll have a widget on my blog and my blog posts, but I'll need to remove it for the About pages. In part 3, we'll take a look at removing the widget area for the pages and changing up the design just a little bit to make it cleaner and easier to read. Thanks for watching.